Ashok Leyland LCV and its channel partners have been a unique team in the industry that last year we did more volumes and gained market share over the previous year. The reasons are simple. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. In a tough year marked by COVID-19, there were positive dealers who, instead of taking a step back, actually took 2 steps ahead. They further stepped up their efforts to win customers' hearts and gain market share. The first category is of dealers who gained market share without the launch of Bada Dost. The nominees in this category are Gyan Motors, Eta, Gulati Motors, Ahmednagar, and City Wheels, Raipur. The award for the best performance Dost sales goes to Mr. Lakshman Khemani, City Wheels, Raipur. The second category is of dealers who gained market share, including Bada Dost sales. The nominees in this category are Jai Ganesh Auto Center, Bhavnagar, Aruna Motors, Vijayawada, and Sarvesh Trucks and Motors, Vellore. The award for the best performance SCV sales goes to Mr. M. Jnana Prakash, Sarvesh Trucks and Motors, Vellore. Ashok Leyland channel partners supported very well in establishing the BS6 partner sales in various applications like fuel bowser, sky lifts, municipal applications, solid waste management, reefer logistics, e-commerce, government orders, and key corporate accounts to gain volumes and market share during a very challenging pandemic year. The nominees in category A for best performance in partner sales are Kun Capital Automotive, Chennai 2, Magnum Motors, Bangalore 2, Akshara Motors, Bangalore 1, and Indus Motors LCV, Cochin. The award for the best performance in partner sales in category A goes to Mr. MP Sham, Akshara Motors, Bangalore 1. The nominees in category B for best performance partner sales are Swarnambika Motors, Salem, Anwar Motors, Tirunelveli, and Renuka Automotive, Bijapur. The award in category B for best performance partner sales goes to Mr. Virendra Gutchetti, Renuka Automotive, Bijapur. The nominees in category C are Rahul Pam, Karnal, Aparna Automotives, Jalgaon, and Paras Trucks, Hisar. And the winner in category C for best performance partner sales is Mr. Harsh Jain, Paras Trucks, Hisar. Our next award is for best performance in institutional sales. The wise look for opportunity in adversity, they say. Last year, when the chips were down, the government stepped up its spending under the Swachh Bharat mission, and some of our dealers sensed it early. The government business is all about market intelligence, PR, patience, and negotiation skills. We have dealers who have mastered this game and were very effective last year. The nominees in the category for best performance institutional sales are Ajmera Motors, Mumbai, Sagar Fuel Injection, Indore, and Sabu AutoZone, Hyderabad. The award for the best performance institutional sales goes to Mr. Sagar Bhalla, Sagar Fuel Injection, Indore. Our next award is for best after-sales performance. Customer care and servicing is a never-ending process. The last financial year was an extremely challenging year due to lockdowns and COVID spread. Nevertheless, many dealerships walked the extra mile to ensure customer care even during lockdown and ensured increased footfalls in workshops as well, and managed customer service expectations very well to retain the brand image in the BS6 launch year. These awards go to dealers who ensured maintenance of hygiene parameters, at the same time took extra pain to ensure a happy experience for the customers as well, and protect the workshop side of business interests. The nominees in category A for best after-sales performance are Malik Motors, Hyderabad, BR Auto Wheels, Lucknow, and Rajesh Motors, Jaipur. The award for the best after-sales performance in category A goes to Sharvik Shah, Rajesh Motors, Jaipur. nominees in category B are Lakshmi Automotives India, Vizag, ATC Automotive Aurangabad, and Amco Automobiles, Srinagar. The award in this category goes to Mrs. Anjum Ayub, Amco Automobiles, Srinagar. The nominees in category C for Best After Sales Performance are Janvi Automobiles, Vapi, Gyan Motors, Eta, and Advance Automobiles, Gwalior. The winner of category C is Mr. Saket Singh Rathod, Advance Automobiles, Gwalior. Our next award is for customer satisfaction. In a competitive marketplace where brands compete to attract customers, customer satisfaction is a key differentiator which can lead to a positive and lasting impression in the minds of customers about brand and dealerships. The top 3 dealerships achieved Best Customer Satisfaction Index for sales and service based on SSI and CSI scores in their respective categories. The nominees in category A are Malayalam Motors Cochin, Kun Capital Automotive Chennai 2, Kun Capital Automotive Chennai 1, and Amman Auto Coimbatore. And the winner in category A for Best Customer Satisfaction is Mr. U. Arun Kumar, Kun Capital Chennai 1. The nominees in category B are Anwar Motors Tirunelveli, SNS Automobiles Madurai, Sri Gajanan Motors Vadodara. And the winner in category B is Mr. Pragnesh Kumar Patel, Sri Gajanan Motors Vadodara. The nominees in category C are Good Luck Automobiles Bilaspur, Gulati Motors Ahmednagar, and Kiara Automobiles Jabalpur. The winner in category C is Mr. Tanmay Shelat, Kiara Automobiles, Jabalpur. The award for Best Infrastructure New Dealer jointly goes to Mr. K. Rajesh Kumar of Santosh Automobiles, Coimbatore, and Mr. Momin Alauddin for Movish Automobiles, Ahmedabad. Our next award and the final award is for Dealer of the Year. Excellence is not a milestone, it is a path itself. The Dealer of the Year award is given to dealers in recognition of their exceptional performance in all the parameters together, that is, Market SI and SSI. The nominees for Dealer of the Year in category A are Malik Motors, Secunderabad, Akshara Motors, Bangalore 1, Magnum Motors, Bangalore 2, and Amman Auto, Coimbatore. And the winner for Best Dealer in category A is Mr. MP Shyam, Akshara Motors, Bangalore 1. The nominees for Best Dealer category B are Renuka Automotive Bijapur, Kaveri Motors Mysore, City Wheels Raipur, and Kanchana Automotive Mangalore. And the winner for Best Dealer category B is Mr. Lakshman Kemani, City Wheels, Raipur. The nominee for Best Dealer of the Year in category C are Janvi Automobiles Vapi, Aparna Automotives Jalgaon, Aditya Agency Nanded. And the winner for the Best Dealer in category C is Mr. Kiran Madhukar Kasar of Aparna Automotives Jalgaon. Congratulations to all the winners. Your trophies will be sent across to you soon. We now move on to the awards for the Power Solutions business. Our Best Network Coverage of the Year award for 2021 in PowerGen goes to Genesis Poweronics India Private Limited. Our highest sales growth of the year 2020-21 award in the PowerGen segment goes to Amaze Power. In the Agri segment, the highest sales performance of the year 2020-21 goes to Rahul Pam Private Limited. A significant growth for the year 2020-21 in the Agri segment award goes to Yashoda Motors Private Limited. Our highest offtake in Harvester segment 2020-21 award in the Agri segment goes to Kartar Agro Industries Private Limited. In the industrial segment, the long-term association in industrial and highest sales performance for 2020-21 award goes to Atlas Copco India Limited. And our most coveted award in the PSP segment, the number 1 OEA of the year 2020-21, goes to Ojas Power and Technologies Private Limited. Congratulations to all the winners.